Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB, direct preparation of IBA Phase-II, frame 3 of 23. Frame 3 of 23, without wasting time, let's dive into the question. The first one is elegant question from percentage. It reads as my first love, love forever. I have made first reel way back at least 1.5 years ago, starting from this question. A single discount equivalent to a discount series of 20, 10 and 25 is what? The idea behind selection this question to be the number one for me is newcomer, a beginner. 20 plus 10 plus 25 is 55. He is going to take 55. Definitely it is incorrect. Second thing is that one can arrive at 54 easily. The real option is 46 in that case. Let's see his mystery. One, I have told you, simply add them. It is not a question of simple addition that leads to 55. It is for beginners, newcomers, and it's incorrect. Let's see. In case of percentage, total is 100. First discount is of 20. Discount means minus. After first discount, we have arrived at 80%. 80. Second question, we have to give 10% on 80. Second question must be on 80 rather than simply subtracting from 100. Second discount on 80. What is 10% of 80? Let's see and find out. Cancel out, that's 8. 80 minus 8, it's equal to 72. 72. After second discount, we have approaches, we have arrived at 72% that we have to pay. Third discount, that is of 25%. Third discount that is of 25% that we have to give on 72%. On 72, what is 25% of 72? What is 25% of 72? Let's see and find out. 72, to remove percent, divide by 100 4 times. Table of 4 on 72, it is 18, I think. 36 divided by 2, 18. So after third discount, we have arrived at 72 minus 18. That is 54. One can easily make hash toward 54. It is not the case. 54 that we have to pay instead of 100. Instead of 100, we have to pay 54. We have been asked to find the lump sum discount. That is 100 minus 54. That's equal to 46%. That's 46%. That's why I have selected this question to be the first one. First up, a single discount equivalent to a discount series of 20, 10 and 25. It is not case of merely adding these, that's amount to 55. It's not right option. If one have good idea to deal with 100 minus 20 first discount, second discount of 10 on 80, that is 8%. 80 minus 8, 72, and the third discount on 72, that is 25%. 18, 72 minus 18, 54. That is the percent of the price we have to pay. We have been asked to find discount, equivalent discount. That must be 100 minus 54. 46 is the lump sum discount. What is the lump sum discount? Is equivalent to 20, 10 and 25. It's 46. Moving towards question number 2. It is also a percentage. It reads as a student has to secure 40% marks to pass. 40% marks to pass. Passing percent is 40. Passing percent is 40. Passing percent is 40. And he gets 40 marks and fail by 40. The maximum number of the marks. 40% of the total marks. 40% of the total marks is the criteria to get through the exam. 40% of the total marks is the criteria to pass the exam. A student has managed 40 and failed by 40. So passing marks are 80. Again, reconcile yourself with the question. A student has to secure 40% marks. Total 40% is the criteria to pass. He gets 40 and failed by 40 marks. So 40 he has taken. By 40 he failed. Means passing marks are 40 plus 40, 80. 40% of the total is equal to 80. Now we have to hunt the question. Total marks, solve 40. To remove percent, divide by 100. To remove percent, divide by 100. To remove percent, divide by 100. Applying table, 0, 0 cancel. Table of 2, table of 5. 2 times t over 5 is equal to 80. Solve for t. It is something 80 times 5 divided by 2. It's 40. 4 5 the 4 5 the 20. 0 same. So total marks in that case are 200, 200, 200. A student has to secure 40% marks in order to get through. He got 40 marks and failed by 40. What is criteria for passing? 40% of the total, 40% of the total. He got 40 and failed by 40. He got 40, he failed by 40. So the passing marks are 40 plus 40, it's 80. Now solve for total. 40 to remove percent, divide by 100 and so on. So the total marks in that case are 200, 200, 200. Okay, moving towards question number 3. Question number 3. The length and breadth of a rectangle are, it is same, or I am missing something? Okay, okay, cool, it is. The length and breadth of a rectangle are increased by 30 and 20%. Find the percentage increase of area. Simply draw, that's our length, that's our width. Nothing is given to us, nothing is given to us. Look at this, 100% means 100% means 1. 100% means 1. Okay, it's 1. So take this length 1, width 1. 30% increase means 0.3. So this is our length. What about width? It has been increased by 20%. 20 divided by 100, it is 0.2. 1.2. Now area is length times it is length, it is width, its length, its width. Just multiply. 1.3 times 1.2, 1.2. The answer is 1.54. 1.5. Whatever the quantity that is greater than 1, it is our increase. It is our increase. So our increase is 0.54. Converting this one into percentage, we have 54%. 54% in that case. What about the 13 multiplied by 12? I think it is something different. 156. Okay. 2 3 the 6. 1 2 the 2. Carry again. 3 1 3 1 1 the 1. 6 5 1 156. 150. It's right. So 56. If we subtract 1 from 1.56, we will get 0.56. Converting this one into percentage, 0.56 multiplied by 100. So 56% increase. If we increase length by 30%, width by 20%, length by 30%, width by 20%. Find the area. The total increase in area is 56%. 56%. 56%. That's the right option in that case. Okay. Moving towards next question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 32 centimeters. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Perimeter of a rectangle. Let me draw again. Perimeter, length, width or breadth. Perimeter, sum of all sides. Perimeter, sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. LL, 2 times L, 2 times W. Perimeter is given to us, that is 32. That is 32. Applying table of 2 throughout. I have L plus W is equal to 16. Equation number 1. Furthermore, given that length is 3 times width, 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 length is 3 times width. Just plug in L instead of L, 3W here. That's our equation 2. Plug in value of L, it will become 3W plus W is equal to 16. 4W is equal to 16. Solve for W. We have 4. So our width is 4. Put value of width in any equation, you will get length. Length times 3 width, length. Value of W is 4. 4 3 the 12. 4 3 the 12. So width is 4, length is 12. Width is 4, length is 12. We are asked to find area of the rectangle. Simple. Area is given by length into width. Length into width. So 12 into 4. 12 multiplied 4. 4 12 the 48 centimeter square or meter square, whatever the unit is, centimeter square. That is our area. That is our area in that case. Final question is based on figure, is a figure of rectangle. It is mentioned that figure is of rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides equal as well as each angle is of 90. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90. Let me draw here again. Reproduce the figure for you. Though it's not a good one. 3x minus 5 and here 2x minus 4 and here y minus 3. By virtue of the definition of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So 3x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1. Shift x here, 5 there. I have 3x minus x, 1 plus 5. 2x is equal to 6. So value of x is 3 in that case. What about this? Just compare this pair. This side equals to this. Call it width. 2x minus 4 is equal to y minus 3. I have already found out the value of x. Utilize here. 2 times 3 minus 4 is equal to y minus 3. 6 minus 4 is equal to y minus 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Shift 2 here. 2 plus 3, it will become 5. 2 plus 3, 5. So value of y is 5, value of x is 3. Just verify. 3 plus 1, it will become 4. 3 3 the 9, 9 minus 4, it is also 4. And x is 3. 2 3 the 6, 6 minus 4, it is 2. Y is 5. 5 minus 3, it is also 2. It is also 2. So I have the dimensions of rectangle as 4, 4, 2 and 2. One can easily find these are the dimensions. These are the values of x and y to be required as we have found out. After plugging the value of x and y, we have verified that opposite sides are equal. Now, if you have been asked, you can find area, perimeter, whatever you like. It's my tiny effort for the frame 3 of 23. IBA Direct Phase-II. What I have got for you next, nobody can guess. I can. It solves by itself. Next.